Just hooked us a good one on the chatterbait. First fish of the day. It just went slack. I couldn't feel anything. Swing and set the hook. Look at that fish. Oh, come here, come here. Come on. Let's go. First fish of the day. That's a good one. That's a fat fish. Black spots all over her. Choked it. Honestly thought it was a weed. My line, it just stopped doing anything. Clear my scale from the state championship that I won as a non-boater. First win ever on Noxon. I've fished down here for a while. Home lake. It felt good to get that first win. First fish is 284. That's good. 3-pounder. It's a good fish right there. Look at that bass. We'll see you later. Away she goes. Right at the boat. Get out of the weeds. Smaller. Decent fish. Largemouth bass fishing. 1.8. That's my guess. .74. Close, no cigar. Good fish. Keeper number 3 barely made it over a pound. 101 little smallie. Fun little fish right there. GoPro, end capture. Largemouth. Fished a tournament here last weekend and they were all over this corner. Oh, really? Yeah. Fun. What do you use to catch them? Just little plastic worms. Really? Yep. 202. 2-pounder. That one's just moved up. He's light still. Smallmouth. If I can grab him. Gee whiz. There we go. Got him good. Number 5. 149. That's better than that first smallmouth. All right. We got 912. We need to do us some upgrading. The first one wasn't bad, but other than that, they're pretty small. Been a day or two since I finally felt that again. Stop. Oh, you fell at the bottom of the boat. Stop. Oh, yes, definitely. Stop. You got all dried out there, bud. Sorry. Oh, that's a 2 1/4 pounder. Almost. 213. Calls out 101. That's good help. $10.25. There it is. Hook just fell out. That's a good bass right there. It's starting to sprinkle. Hat cam just died. That right there is a 3-pounder. I'm gonna say that's actually a little over. I'm gonna say 3.4. Guess too much. 295. Pulls out 149. It's a good one right there. That's the kind you like. Big head. Right there. Booyah, tooyah. On the old Ned rig. Oh, not very big. I don't catch very many dinks at this spot, so I got bit. I got excited, but that right there is a certifiable baby fish. Pretty one though. I knew that if there was a bunch of little smallies in here spawning, there had to be some better ones too. And that would be a better one. Fish. This is a struggle right here. She is angry. She don't want nothing to do with me. Oh, I dropped her. But she's in the boat. Booyah. That's a chunky one. Chunky. Oh, some of the things I say right after I catch a fish are weird. People that don't know me in person are probably like, that guy is weird, but he catches big fish. I'm not weird, and I catch big fish. Stop that. $286 takes out a 174. Let's go. 13 pounds. 13 pounds a day last week would have got you second place. It's a good smallmouth right there. That was a good smallmouth right there. I've caught a lot of fish in here right now. They are on beds and they are spawning.